Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use KuCoin wallet, only way. Open the KuCoin wallet app and follow the prompts to create or import a wallet now. Back up your recovery, phrase on paper, and never share it with anyone. Enable a strong password and biometric unlock for quick, secure access. Fund your wallet using a transfer or buy option, and always double-check addresses before sending funds. Create a habit of security first when using KuCoin wallet. Keep your recovery phrase offline in a secure location, like a safe or encrypted drive. Use a hardware wallet for significant holdings and keep day trading funds in the hot wallet. Always confirm the recipient address twice and send a small test amount before large transfers. Enable biometrics, review device permissions, and update the app to maintain protection against emerging threats. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading on breaks or during transfers easy and comfortable, like a short digital breather between crypto tasks. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Sending and receiving with KuCoin wallet is straightforward and fast. Use receive to display your on-chain address or QR code and share it carefully. For sending, paste the recipient address, choose the correct network, set gas or fees, and confirm on both device and app. Consider doing a small test transfer first. Monitor transaction status in the History tab and save frequently used addresses as contacts for convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.